Hi everyone, welcome to my simple kitchen. We are well into pumpkin season and there's just nothing better than Starbucks pumpkin cold foam. As much as I love a good Starbucks drink, I just cannot get on board with the cost. So I've decided to master making my own. I've tried a few variations of this recipe, but I think I've finally found the combination that tastes spot on. Before we get into the video, I wanted to say a quick thank you for all the support. We hit 1,000 subscribers, which is super amazing. As a thank you, we'll be doing our first giveaway. There will be more details later on in this video. In a small container, you'll add 1/2 cup heavy whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of milk, 4 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Whip that all together using either a hand frother or a blender. Be patient, this can take a few minutes depending on how powerful your blender is. To celebrate hitting 1,000 subscribers, we're giving away a Keurig mini single-serve coffee maker. This coffee maker doesn't take up much room on the counter and is super cute. It uses regular Keurig K-cups, or you could also use the adapter to use your own ground coffee. The rules for entry: you'll need to like this video, be subscribed to my channel, and leave a comment with your favorite coffee drink. On December 1st, we'll randomly select a winner and we'll reply to your comment directly. Once we select a winner, you'll have 48 hours to respond and claim your coffee maker. Once it's turned into a thick and fluffy cold foam, you're ready to add on top of your favorite iced coffee or espresso drink. Here I'm making a quick and easy iced pumpkin coffee. Fill the cup with ice. I add a tablespoon of pumpkin pie syrup, add in my favorite iced coffee. I actually brew this coffee into a hyperchiller, which immediately cools it down. Not at all sponsored, just a super cool product, and you can find it on Amazon. Then top with your delicious pumpkin cold foam. I'm super happy with how this turned out, and we'll be drinking this until Christmas. Let me know if you give it a try. Enjoy!